Okay, thank you for coming today. So, business report writing. There's usually two things that are a little bit tricky. One is to actually get it done. It's a big project. It's a lot of work to do. That's one thing. And the other thing with business report writing is to produce a good-looking report. A good-looking report is half the battle. Anyway, so I'll show you how to do both of those things today, to plan yourself a larger project and how to do a good looking report. So the first thing to do is to start from scratch. Yeah? Don't copy and paste. Sure, read, learn the subject, learn the case scenarios, learn the here. And then once you have it in your head, you don't really need too much more from that apart from the actual details. All right, so step number one, brand new document, all blank. I'll show you here on the screen once we get it up and running. Okay, first thing to do, brand new document. Go to File, New, and choose Blank. Start from scratch. Once you have a new document, the next thing to do, you want to plan yourself. So planning is always done in Outline View. So go to View, and then go to Outline View. Outline View, this is where you do your planning. What you do here is you divide your work into smaller bits, and from here it becomes a lot easier to get the whole report done. So write down all the paragraphs, all the headings that you want to talk about, and then make sure that they are that they're divided again further. So for example, on identification needs and opportunities, you might want to talk about that a bit more. So in that case, have level 2s, so level 2 outlines. So again, this is the same thing as the heading and the styling system in Word. And once you have this is essentially your entire document planned out. You have one, maybe 2 paragraphs within each one of these headings. And again, remember heading 1. So number 1 for the top level heading, top level, what you want to talk about. And if you want to subdivide it into further, make that into level 2s. You can use that either using tab or you can use those down arrows and so on. Once you've done this is pretty much your report planned out. Each one of these, 1 or 2 paragraphs, and you've got yourself a 1,000-word report. So finish off all your headings, do your planning. If you want to rearrange the way you want to plan this later on, you can do that as well by moving them around. Once you've done that, exit Outline View. You will now be in the main view. So what we're trying to do here is we want to use the styling system that is within Word. So click on the styling system. You can see here that heading 1, this is what we have in heading 1. These ones here are heading 1s. What we want to do first of all is to change it. So business proposal, we'll make that into the title, right? The Dr. Simmons Medical, in this case, in this scenario, we'll make that a subtitle. A good looking report always uses a lot of nice features. So a title and a subtitle. To change the styling system to be a subtitle for this case. Next one for our introduction, that will be heading 1. Again, this is the top level of the items you want to discuss about, what you want to write about. And if you want to divide that into further, you can. So for the purpose of this exercise, what I want to show you is, for the reason I want to show you these next things, I need you to have to write yourself the introduction. So do 1 paragraph, nice and quick. Again, introductions is basically just telling you what the document is about. What are you going to do? What are you going to talk about? What are you going to get through? So you don't have to spend too much time trying to work out what to say here. Just fill in the first paragraph, first introduction. Again, try and make it full paragraphs. Explain yourself in a paragraph. One idea, 1 paragraph. 65 words to 125, but 65 words, at least minimum 4 to 5 sentences, will have a good, healthy paragraph. Once you've written your paragraph, I'll show you in the next step. So the default styling system is the one that the Word starts off with, which is this one we can see here. Now, to make a report, you might want to emphasize different things, or you might want to show a different different personality or different ideas, and that can be done in fonts and stylings and in systems. To do that, click on Design, then go to Themes. Once you're in Themes, you can run your mouse across all the different themes, and you will have a preview window. So this preview window will show you how the document will look in essence. So go ahead and choose a theme. The theme has got many things within it. It's got the spacings, it's got the colors. Here you go, you get different color sets. So if you want to write forward a different color set, you can change that. You can change the fonts as well. You can also change the spacings. You don't have to do that. All these are presets themes. Later on, you can make your own theme if you like, and you can save your own theme, different versions of it.